Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to export a surface stake report. So we'll give you all the information on your staking of a surface and a nice, easy to read report. So what I'm going to do to begin here is I've got FieldGenius for Android open, and I'm going to click on my fourth option here, Reports, and make sure from my record type I have Surface Staking Report selected. Now, if I had a certain amount of points that I had selected, I would be able to enter that point range there, either using our ... notation or a comma notation. Obviously, I don't have any surfaces in this project, but what I would have is I would have some selectable surface options as well. And what I can do is if I hit create here, it would create my report, and you can see that I have that staking report now saved in my storage, FieldGenius projects shapefile export format, where I can then go pick up the CSV file with all the information on this staking report. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you export a staking report from Microsurvey's FieldGenius for Android. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.